Hi guys, welcome back to Designers. I'm Saida Kuri, and today I will talk about how to improve and decorate your spaces with plants. Plants can be as expressive as a work of art. Indoor plants not only make your space more inviting and fresh, but they also make your home air healthier. Plants add life and color to a space, while also bringing you closer to nature, make you happier, and absolutely improve your life quality. In this video, I will share with you how to select the best indoor plants to be used as a design element, where to place it according to your decor, their size, the shape, and some contemporary ideas to bring nature inside. Guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join our design community and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, let me know in a comment below. First of all, you need to analyze this space. The first step of adding plants in your design is analyzing this space and understanding the strongest and weakest point of a room. Observe what part of the space can be brightened up and where can you add more static pieces. Walk around the room and look at the space from different perspectives. This will help you choose the best spot to make your green statement. Remember that placing a plant in our interiors is all about light. So determine the type of sunlight in your spaces to select the perfect plant that will live inside your home under the lighting conditions. Understand if the plants can thrive in low, medium, and bright light. Some are versatile and can survive in any light, while others are light sensitive. Be sure the room light is adequate for plants. For me, all plants are beautiful. I think all the things that come from nature are perfect. But at the time of decorating with plants, we need to be clever when selecting its shape, dimension, and its aesthetic. Because at that moment, the plant will be a design element, like your furniture or your decor pieces. It will be part of the entire composition. So let's see how and where we can use tall or small plants with or without flowers in a given space to make your space and your home looks fabulous. Tall plants are ideal for corners and other areas where you need to emphasize the vertical line. So it's a good idea to use it in smaller spaces as well. You can also use it in a space with double height to achieve harmony and good proportion. They are excellent to use in spaces where all the furniture and decor elements have a similar height, because it's ideal to break up the monotony between the furniture and decor elements. Apart from the obvious design aspects of the process, it's important to know what is going to live in a space and what is manageable around the lifestyle of the homeowner. I think no one likes to kill plants, right? So if you're looking for tall plants, the Dracaena family and the Areca palm are excellent for the aesthetics. They are perfect to bring a tropical touch indoors. So if your interior has a tropical and fresh breeze, this kind of plant matches perfectly with your decor. If your interior is more minimalist, Scandinavian, or contemporary, the fiddle leaf fig could match better with your interior design style. With these examples, I want to show you guys that different kinds of plants go better with a specific interior design style. For that, I have a special gift for all of you. In the description below, I'll leave a link with a guide that I prepared with different choices of the best indoor plants. There you will find some tips on how to select a plant depending on your interior design style, planters, and some ideas and the basics to take care of the plants when they are living inside your home. Small plants are versatile and work throughout the home from the bathroom to the office. There are several small and medium plant choices to bring color and texture into your decor that are perfect to fill at the space or walls or to soften the angular lines of your furniture. They are ideal for coffee tables, dining tables, nightstands, console, or to bring it into the space with a stylish stand planters that are so trendy right now. It's a good idea to use plants at the end of sideboards, bench seats, and TV units to help soften the hard edges of these flat surfaces pieces of furniture. There is a softness in plants that help warm a home by its organic shapes that make an exquisite contrast with the straight lines of the space and furniture. The plant pot you choose is almost as important as the plant itself. Consider your interior scheme before investing in a planter. If your home is tropically inspired, stick to bamboo or natural materials. If your interior style is Scandinavian or contemporary, a solid concrete or brushed metallic pot will work best. Don't clutter your space. Keep an open plant, giving the design enough space to breathe and flow. Small plants look beautiful in interiors. Due to their versatility, they are perfect for basically any space in the house. The most common small plants are cactus, air plants, English ivy, succulent, peace lily, and others that you will find in the free guide. Plants are also a good alternative to bring color and texture to your home. It doesn't matter what color scheme you have going on, plants will always work. They don't ever conflict with other colors. If you are scared of bold colors and lean towards and more neutral color palettes, greenery is an ideal means of injecting some color into your interior that you have absolutely no reason to be afraid of. But if you're looking for a plant with flowers to add an accent color into your space, you should answer the following questions. What colors are used throughout your space? What splashes of colors are found in your artwork or furniture or accessories? Take a good look and try and find plants that bloom with colors that complement the color scheme of your space. This will give your interior a tighter appearance, while also helping to make focal points pop and to create a harmonious composition. If you are looking for a pop of color, an orchid can add life and a lot of elegance to the space. Maybe you are looking for a red, orange, or yellow accent. Including a bromeliad in that color can match perfectly with some vase or pillow in the same or complementary tone. You can check my video here on how to choose colors in your interior design. Remember that there are a lot of ideas out there on how to incorporate nature inside. So be creative! Try a hanging plant or a green wall in your dining room to add color and nature in a sophisticated and different way. Also, another tip that I love is to light up your plants on your green wall with a spotlight. The play between the light and shadow is so beautiful and helps incorporate texture and movement and to add depth into your room. Guys, remember to download the free guide to know which plants and planters can match with your interior design style and how to take care of it. I hope this video has inspired you to incorporate nature into your home and into your life. Remember to click like and subscribe to join our design community. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.